just finished the code of audio types of variable, output, and comments. Now let us go to input. We just finished explaining everything about output, 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 output. Now let's put an input. Now, putting an input is very easy. All you just need is the keyword. Just like print is a keyword, this is a keyword. Okay? Now, the true use of these inputs is so that you can be able to write something outside. Okay? I can be able to write this is my life. Let me leave it. Finish. Then if I just yeah, I can now be able to write an a variable when I'm ready to run it. Now this stuff is very good. How do you think I made my calculator? I need an input here so I can be able to write this 2 plus 2 4. Don't forget, I've already run it. Now this is the input side. Wait, let me from here, here, here. This is the code for the entire input, and this is the full code. Don't worry, stop trying to climb everything. You won't even get it. So let's go to another project. Let's use this input and take it for a spin. Now let's put a little bit of things. Now if I write print, how old are you? Come on, guys, you're not expecting me to know your age. And that is when this comes out. Oh, wait, do you forget one more rule? You have to put a quote. Yeah, it's a very important rule. Sorry, I almost forgot. Now, let's put something here. Should we either use a variable or an in my input? I choose a variable. Now, let's use a variable well known to everybody, which is a is equals to this is my variable name. I don't want to kill myself. I just want to go straight to the point. A is equals to input. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. I have to put int here. Why? Because it's an integer. How old are you? It's a number, remember? So I have to put int there. Now, all I just have to do is put this stuff here, then close every bracket. If I don't close all the brackets, it would just be a waste of time. Remember, I opened one bracket here, I opened one bracket here, close one bracket here, close one bracket here. Don't forget that. Now, print, open bracket. Now, this is something that I like to do the most when I'm doing output. Now, watch this because this is the first time I'm going to tell you about this. Now, first I open a quote, and I write, wow, so you are now. I put this here, then I write yes. I also put plus here so that I can be able to join everything together. Sometimes this doesn't work, but sometimes it does. So, how old are you? 17. 17. Then, okay, mom. Bye bye. Okay, this is it here. How old are you? Input your age and you how you are. Let's with our age. I am 17. Oh wait, there's a lie. I'm 14 actually. Wow, you're 14. Yes, I am 14. I can write print quote. Yes, I am 14. That like I said, I'm chatting with myself. Man, that feels so crazy. Oh man, what should I do? Okay, now that you've learned inputs, we have to also learn some other basics of inputs. So these are the other types of inputs. We can, as we wrote here, int, which means integer. We can also put float. E is equals to float. Oh, sorry, capital letter. Float, open bracket, input, open bracket, centimeter. I don't even have to know what to write there. So I just put centimeter. Then print open bracket B. Or I write just B. I don't have time to write much. Please. Then my age 14. I say, wow, you're 14. Yes, I am 14 centimeter. 5. Sorry. Oh, yes. I put a quote. My bad. It's supposed to be only B because there's a variable already. My age 14. Wow, you're 14. Yes, I am. 5, 4. Let's put 4.0. Why? That's the question you should ask. Remember, float is decimal, so which means you have to it has to put point for you. It's a proof there. So now that we've learned this, we can now go ahead to other topic. Okay, let's learn the next thing, which is math. Mathematics. Now, math is very. We also need operations and stuff like that. Now, operations are very simple. Now, these are the basic signs that we have in operation. These are basic signs, and these signs help in every we're going to be doing in math. Sorry, cough. Hi. So, this is math, and as I told you, you need a comment so that it cannot code it. Because if I leave this mask open like that, I give you a lot of examples with this. Please come fight something in print. Yeah. If you don't know that side, which means you haven't been following me, and that will make me sad. Please subscribe, like, and comment on the description below. Okay. So now that we've written this math, we now have to write some math coding. So we've already used x, we've used name, we've used area of triangle. Oh, and also, you're not allowed to use two variable name except if you want to update the variable. I'll explain that later. Now, oh wait, I've already written x. The type of x I wrote here is small letter x. So if I write a capital letter x, it's different. Remember, Python is case sensitive. So that will be equals to, let's write, let's pick one, plus 3 plus, enter. That will be equals to print, open bracket, capital letter x. Remember, there is difference. Yeah, I'm still distracted by all this. It's 14. Why are 14? 2.8. 2.85. Okay. 5 is there. 2 plus 2, 5. I just open a new one. Then this should be equals to x is equals to. Now remember, this is a new project and this is an old project, so they are different. So please don't misquote them next time. So if this is new, this is new. They are different projects, remember. And if you want, you can save this one. Save and put it here. Then put it as training. You, you guys. Okay. Then the next one is here. Now x is equals to 5 plus 6. Then go down, then to a print, open bracket, x. This will give me 11 because here's the 11. Because 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. If you don't know math, go ask your mathematics teacher. I'm not gonna teach you stuff I don't really want to teach you. I want to teach you Python. Now, you can also use this to make a calculator if you want. It depends on what you want. Don't worry, there is this project that's going to be coming up one day. And yeah, the project's gonna be fine. This is a calculator that I made using plus, minus, times, and divide. It makes a very small code here. 5, 6. Then I just need to write plus and 11. See it right here. It's not that hard. You just need to be more awesome. Now that we've written this, remember at this point we're using another type of code. Yeah, you understand this when I teach more. Now, if this is x, then the next one will be y is equals to, let's use minus sign this time. 20 minus 50 Sorry, minus 14. Oh, sorry, I forgot to print it out. Remember, it doesn't work without being printed. Print, open bracket, y, which is equals to 6. Please comment if you don't understand. Then I'll be able to explain it more on Facebook. Or come back here to explain it again. Now, if I write Z, sorry I'm using the same name. Sorry. Sorry I'm using names that are just letters. I just don't like to write so much. Sorry. I apologize in my heart. Okay, let's continue. Is equals to let's use times this time. Now to now in programming of Python, I'm not sure about other programming language because I'm not teaching it. Actually, other programming languages also use it too. I don't even know how to explain it. Now they use this fine asterisk. Even I don't know, but this is how they use it. So this asterisk times 5. Normally, you all know that it's going to be 10. They also taught it in computer class. You will have a brief explanation in computer science if you're doing it. So this is how it is. So you have to now write print open bracket z, then it's equals 10. Wait, in case you guys didn't see it very well. 10. It's right there. 5 plus 6, 11. 20 plus minus 14, 6. And this is equals to 10. It's right here. Now, next one, we have to use another letter. Using X, Y, Z is not really that optional anymore. Now, let's use A. A is equals to, now we're going to be doing divide. We're going to be dividing numbers. That will be equals to 8 divided by 9. This time means divide. You also learned in math class. And divided by 4. Now, don't forget to print it. Open bracket and capital letter A. Now, remember, this is definitely not a string, so which means that's why we're not putting quotes. If you don't remember all those ones, then I'm not even sure why you guys are still here. So that's it. Now just to prove it to you that it works, this side is also equals to 2. Actually, it puts 2.0 because in Python, divide also leads to float. So if I want this to be just normal 2, all I have to do is come here, write int, which stands for integer, open bracket. After I open this bracket, I close the entire bracket and it becomes 2. Not more 2.0. Not more 2.0. So now if I want to prove this, I'll just have to do 337 divided by 23. Now remove this inside integer, then run it. It will give me 1.1212121212 to infinity. Actually, it won't stop. The only reason why it stopped is because Python code allowed it to stop, but this one doesn't stop. It's also called an irrational number, right? Now, if I put int here, Then open a bracket here and close this bracket. It only becomes one, not the other way around. Now, if I put 3 divided by 2, instead of 2, 1, instead of 1.5, it only gives me 1. Now, if I put, it only goes to the nearest. I call them special numbers, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys should know that, right? So, now that that's done, let's keep coding stuff in Python. Now, I've already done the 4 basic signs in Python. Now for the next basic signs in Python. Now, other things you can be able to do with Python with this mathematics is print, open bracket. Wait, let us write a variable first. Now, the variable I'm writing is s is equals to, s is my variable name, don't forget that. It's equals to 15, 9. Then um, est is equals to 22. Now, if I write s plus est, my outcome would be 81 because 59 plus 22 is equals to 81. Just right there. You guys can view it, right? Right? Maybe I should remove this int. I have my reason why. There we go. Now, if I write sz, oh wait, q is equals to 46 and j is equals to 32, print. These are just some hacks you can use in case of the kind of project you're going to be using in the future. Then minus j, that will be equals to 14. Are you guys seeing this right now? It's right here. Now, this is the entire code that is happening right now in this app. See, just 1 to 15 lines, and we're already done with a lot of things. Oh, you guys can choose to give space if you want, but or not give space, but I love to give space so that I can be able to understand my work. Because if I don't, and I jam pack everything together, at some point for me to find a thing there, like the way I jam pack this work, I don't even know where I am right now. Oh wait, number 24, number 25, number 26, number 27. Yeah, I see them all there. Number 1, number 2. Man. Okay. Now, and so now Q is 46. Now, if it's for times and divide, I'm sure you guys will understand it, right? Wait, you can also do this for times and divide. Can do this for asterisk and slash. Now, let's go to modulo. Now, modulo is easy. Yeah, I just love to say that easy, but not that really that easy. Now, is equals to 5. If you're still in, if you're in Nigerian and you're in JSS 1, they should teach you in either third term or second term. So it's up to you to learn it. And if you're dear young Peru, or I don't even forget your name, I don't even know how to pronounce your name. But a young Peru, just know that this is part of your just one work. Now it goes to 6 print open bracket G. Oh, here it goes. Okay, I decided that I should just put a 0 here, and yeah. Wait, let me check something. If h is equals to 550 divided by 6, print open bracket h. Hope I've never used h, that's the name before. Okay, no. Start it. Okay, yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Now, sorry, I just needed to check something. Modulo and divider almost alike. Depends. Now, the next thing we should be learning is conditions. Now, if okay, let's just jump into it. Let's just jump into it. Or should I go with the basic first? Let's start with the basic first. I want to create a new project. Now, for the basic side, I have to think properly and be smart. Now, at this side, I use if, else, else. So that is what I'm going to be using right now. Now, all these things doesn't work, and I say doesn't work without a variable because variable helps them in many ways. Now, let's open a variable. If oh wait, I forgot a variable. Um, yes is equals to. Let me give it a proper variable name. Money in bank. Remember, I like to give space, open brackets. Wait, then it's nope, this is an integer. Now, money in bank. How much is in the bank? 50 million. 50. Just for the million there. One, two, three, three, four, 50 million. Uh-huh. 50 million. Now, money in bank is 50 million. And car price is equals to um let's say the car price is two. So whoopsie. Two, oh, come on, man. Sorry about my keyboard. 20. Yeah, 20 million. So that will now be equals to, sorry, there's also another way. Yeah, I like this way. So I now have to write print. Wait, there's no need for print right now. So if money in bank in bank is greater. You have to also know your greater than and less than signs. So this is greater. I know people that I teach on Facebook, you guys are used to for me to be using operations to be managing if and else conditions, but you can also use this way is greater than car price. Then I put this a colon. Now colons are really important, really really important. Now if you're writing a very long note and you write subheadings, you wrote a heading, you wrote subheadings, but you now want to write something under a particular sentence, like this sentence, you want to write something under it, like let's say management. You want to write something under management. I say management is the managing of things that are valuable and stuff like that. You have to put a column, right? And also underline it. But this one you're not underlining, just in that column. Now, immediately you write a column, it gives a tab here. Why it gives a tab is because the thing you're now going to be writing belongs to this if condition that is above it. It does not belong to anything. It does not belong to the code itself. It belongs to this if condition that is above it. Now, this if condition now determines what happens to the rest. Now, if I now write print, then I would buy this car. Now, look. Okay, and this is the code of here. Then I'll buy the car. That's because the money in the bank is able to buy the car that you want to buy. Now, if this 20 million is now higher, let's say I add one more zero, then I will now write else, then put this. As I said, anything under this will now be his own. Like he's not the master of them, something like that. You have a lot of disciples, you are now controlling them like as if they're puppets. Now, enter, because now we have leave space. Now you just have to write print. Now you have to write, oh, oh no, I'm broke. I'm broke. Please, please subscribe for me to buy the car. The car. See, it also wrote it here. Oh no, I'm broke. Please subscribe for me to buy the car. And actually, you guys should know why, right? This one, the car price is 200 million. If you guys count it, let's count it together. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, yeah. Then for the 50, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Oh no, I'm wrong. You subscribe for me to buy the car. Now that is just the simplest part. Just the simplest part, guys. So stop cutting your hopes up. This is just the. I even did decide when I was small. Okay. Next, we have to now make this in my awesome code. Now, we have to do this. We have to, let's say, you're going for a job interview and you need the salary to be 50,000 naira or else you won't apply for the job. Now, you just have to write this. Print, I'm sorry, um, job salary, salary is equals to, let's say the job salary did not reach up to your expectations, so it will be either 30,000 naira. Then your expectations, your expectation is equals to 50,000 naira as we agreed, 50,000 naira. Enter. So now we have to make this code work. Now, our first print will be that if it is 50,000 naira, I join the job immediately. I apply, put my CV, put everything on the line for this job. But if it's not up to 50,000 naira, man, I decline this job. I'm out of here. Now, I write this. If job salary is equal. Now I'm gonna put a double equals to here because if it's not double equals to, it doesn't mean equals to. Now to prove it, I will just put one equals to and to show me the error that is happening. Now I want to put that is equals to your expectation, then print open brackets. Yeah, I would take the job. Now, watch what happens. At this side, it shows that line 12, that's inbuilt syntax, which means that it's supposed to be a double equals to. Remember, I said that I'm going to prove it. Now, for me to fix this, I just need to put another equals to, and oh, yeah, sorry about that. I forgot to put n here. Remember, expectation. My bad. I should have used the other way around. Then, oh no, I'm below. Please subscribe for me to buy the car. Now, it didn't write this downside here. Why? Because the job salary is not equal to your expectation. So now, I now have to put an else. Else print. I go back to YouTube. See, it actually writes it here. I go back to YouTube because, as I said, it does not enter the expectation. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why this equal to here is 2. Now, this equals to doesn't just mean equal to. Now, I should have used this from this number 9 to number 15 to explain it, but I want to make another project or another example. Now, let's say let's look for something, shall we? Let's use a game for example. Now, player life. Now, I'm also going to be using this player life for me to be explaining elf. Sorry. That's the way I did elf here. See it? Elf, elf. And this one I didn't use elves. This one here. So please pay attention. Elf player life is equals to 100. Most player life are 100. Some are 200, some are 500. I've never seen anyone that is even past 100 before. Now, 100 and so now there's 100. We have to now be making the life decrease, 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 decrease until it enters the bottom of the line. Okay. Player life. Now we have to get the actual power of the bullet or knife that's killing him. If the bullet's power is 5, which means you have to be minusing 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 from the player. Now, let's start minusing 5, 5, 5 from the player until he dies. But I want it to be much faster. I don't have time to waste, so I'm just going to minus a whole 50 from his life at each point. Now, bullets an underscore, then power is equal to, let's say the bullet power is, what should I use? 50. I did say I'll use 50. Now I have to now be using mass too, so that I can be able to kill this player. Now I have to do this the ultimate way ever. Now, let's see. If I have to use 2 if else condition here. Okay, as I said, 15. Now let's continue. Now, player life 100, player life 50. So it's equal to play. Now I get all these because I can't be writing every time. I told you. Then I paste it here. It's equal to. Now I paste the same thing again. Minus enter. Now I have to um, give a condition to this. If player life is equal to or less than 100, the consequences will be print you you are still alive, but watch out for bullet. Sorry, bullet. There we go. Okay. If I run this, oh, sorry, it's the other way around. Then equals to stays here. Yeah, you are still alive, but watch out for bullets. Now, print. Now I just have to write this. Oh, sorry, wrong thing to write. There. Sorry, wait. I have not right. Your life bar is your life bar is 15. Wait, I can do put this here. I'm not sure it is low, but control X. Here it is. Your life bar is 15, and you are still alive. But watch out for more bullets. See? It's not that hard. Just fast, fast, and you already made a simple game. If you want, you can also write this. Print, open brackets, paste, your life bar is oh sorry, mistake. Forgot to put the ending quotes and maybe this. Now, the life bar is 100. When your life bar now became 15, now it's just your life. Watch out for bullets, dude. Then after, you can now write else. Wait, it's not yet time for else yet. Now, you have to want to make this size keep occurring. Now, carry the entire one here, copy, then paste it here. Once you paste it here, then you can now write this again, copy, paste it here, then change this from 100 to 50, then now write you are dead. Subscribe to replay, replay, and like that, you have made the most simple game. Now, at this stage, your life was 100, then your life became 50, then when your life became 0, now write you are dead. Replay. It's not that hard. If you think it's hard, please comment in the comments box. Now, this is the simplest thing. Imagine how many things you can make with your own mind. I made a calculator. I made many projects. You can do the same. And unfortunately, it's already reaching 1 hour. Oh, wait, stop past 1 hour. Oh, man. Well, time flies. That's what I say. So, know who? Learn all this. Oh, and don't forget this. We started with a print, then we made all our stuff, and we brought this out. Fishing garage, kind garage, stuff like this, and we did math. Then we finished the math topic here, where I talked about plus, minus, times, divide. We also talked about plusing with a print, which is also this, which is minus with a print. We also did this for, you can also do this for times and divide. We talked about modulo, and we also talked about small divide. Well, now this one we talked about if and else condition. Condition is very easy, you just have to put your mind to it. Now, maybe we should make a quiz conversation before I go. Or please just subscribe. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Practice more, practice every day, and don't worry, you will make it. This is just the half of the basic programming. Half of the basic programming. You'll be learning more in a short period of time. Uh, Goodbye. Well, sorry I didn't do project in this. But this is a very good project. You can also learn this. And I promise this, in all my tutorials, you will learn new things. This one is how to start a good manager. Being a good manager, this just know one thing. Believe in yourself and you can accomplish anything. Many people have told me that before. Not the first time. Okay, good luck. Have a nice day. This is Vista channel. I always code the uncodable. Seriously, you don't want to see me in real life. Okay, subscribe for me, comment, and like my video. Goodbye. See you later.